Hello, good morning everyone. This is Church truly, Mommy Viola, ang nagsasabi ang kalikasan ay dapat nating alagaan dahil ito po ang bigay ng may kapal na dapat nating pahalagahan at mamahalin. Halina't tunghayan natin ang isa sa pinaka paborito at isa ang hidden treasures ng Municipality of Conner, Province of Apayao, at the Banao Anito Falls. At ito na po, and I have here at my back, kaway-kaway ang dalawang magagandang taga-tourism officers, and we have our POSO officer, and siya po ang ni Rapacon, ang pinsan ni Rapacon, and we are here, and thank you so much kasi today is the inauguration of the Banao Anito Falls, and I'm very much happy kasi I am part of this inauguration ngayong taon na to. Kaya thank you so much and God bless. At kung gusto niyong pumunta rito, just contact me. Napakaganda, murang-mura lang, napakalinis, napakatahimik, and napakaganda. I'm very much sure magustuhan ng inyong pamilya kasi safe po tayo. Thank you.